Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about volcanic eruptions. What is a volcanic eruption? Well, before we can answer this question, let's first talk about what a volcano is. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface that allows magma, which is hot liquid and semi-liquid rock, volcanic ash, and gases to escape. They are generally found where tectonic plates come together or separate, but they can also occur in the middle of plates due to volcanic hotspots. Now that we have reviewed what a volcano is, we can answer our question, what is a volcanic eruption? A volcanic eruption is when gas and lava are released from a volcano, sometimes explosively. To the right, this is an example of an explosive volcano eruption. Are volcanic eruptions harmful? Despite how harmful and scary the name sounds, volcanic eruptions can be both beneficial and harmful. In fact, some benefits volcanic eruptions give to the environment are fertile soils, hydrothermal energy, and precious minerals. Although volcanic eruptions do provide some benefits for the environment, there are some hazardous cons to volcanic eruptions. Some of the cons are volcanic ash, gases, lahars, which are mud flows, landslides, lava flows, and pyroclastic flows, which are fast-moving currents of hot gas. Now that we have learned the pros and cons of volcanic eruptions, we can look at the beautiful green landscape made by the fertile soils. We can also observe the devastating effects the hazardous eruptions can cause. Here are the green, beautiful soils, and here are the devastating effects. Here are the major parts of a volcano. We have the ash cloud, which is a cloud of ash formed by volcanic explosions. We have the crater, which is the mouth of a volcano which surrounds the vent. We have the conduit, which is an underground passage which magma travels through. We have the vent, which is an opening in the surface of the earth through which volcanic materials can escape. We have the magma chamber, which is a large underground pool of liquid rock found beneath the surface of the earth. We have lava, which is liquid rock that flows out from a volcano. And we also have magma, liquid rock inside a volcano. It can be runny or viscous, which is thick. Now that we have discussed what a volcano is and what a volcano eruption, the pros and cons of these eruptions, and the major parts of a volcano, we can now discuss our at-home project. At home, with the help of your parents, you will try to make your own volcano that will erupt. This project will be a fun learning experiment of the science behind a volcanic eruption. The materials you will need are 10 milliliters of dish soap, 100 milliliters of warm water, 400 milliliters of white vinegar, food coloring, a baking soda slurry, which is just filling a cup about half with baking soda, then filling the rest of the way with water, and lastly, an empty 2-liter soda bottle. Please don't forget to wear your safety glasses to protect your eyes from the explosion. Now we will watch a quick video on how to make our volcanoes at home.
Alright, today I'm going to teach you really quickly how to make a baking soda and vinegar volcano. It's super easy and it's really cool. Right now we have vinegar, baking soda, an empty bottle that we're going to use to do our experiment in. I've got a couple little cups here. I'm going to put vinegar in one, baking soda in the other, and I have some water already. And this is just regular old dish soap and a little popsicle stick to stir it all with. Alright, so now I actually grabbed a funnel to make this a little easier. I have about equal parts vinegar. I'm not going to use a whole ton because the bottle's kind of small. Pour that in. And the equal part is other part's going to be water. I get this kind of warm. It seems to help the reaction a little bit. Mix it in. Not a whole lot of specifics here. And just mix it up a little bit. I'm going to add a drop or two of dish soap just for fun. Gives it a little more foaming effect. And then I fill my cup up here, I don't know, maybe halfway with baking soda. I give it a little mix. And then I'm going to get set up over here in this little tray just so I don't make a huge mess. So I'm going to put it in here and then get ready. All right, kind of set the camera up a little ways back so hopefully this thing erupts and you'll be able to get a good look at it. So what I'm doing now is I'm stirring my water and baking soda to create a little slurry. I'm I'm going to pour it really quickly as much as I can right into the bottle. And I'm going to try and get my hand out of the way so I don't mess up any eruptions. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, pretty cool, but I missed my bin and made a huge mess. Well, anyway, that's where we're going to do it outside next time. But that's how you make a baking soda and vinegar volcano.
Now that we have watched the video, let's review the steps to make volcanoes. Combine the vinegar, water, dish soap, and 2 drops of food coloring into the empty soda bottle. Next, use a spoon to mix the baking soda slurry until it is all a liquid. Finally, it's eruption time. Pour the baking soda slurry into the soda bottle quickly and step back. Here are some examples of what your volcanoes can look like. Remember, this is meant for you to have fun, so feel free to personalize your volcano however you'd like. This wraps up our volcano lesson. See y'all tomorrow. Good luck creating your volcanoes.